Look how beautiful the sage is this year. It's just right at the moment for making a sage hydrosol, or floral water, or in this case herbal water, where we will infuse the leaves in the still and distill over the essential oil content, and then we'll bottle the water that comes out. And it's a fantastic herbal remedy for strep throat, for sore throats, but also can be mixed in with other ingredients like tinctures to make more complex formulas. Just taking the really nice pristine tops. There's no mildew or anything like that on them at this time of the year. They are absolutely perfect. And that is when you want to get them if you're doing this kind of work. Nice bowlful there. There's 4 litres of liquid in the still, and the trick is going to be stopping distilling when the quality starts to drop off. So I'm going to measure the volume obtained and taste it as we go along a little bit, and just make a judgment on, whether we've sort of got as good as we can get. It's beginning to run now, and it's starting to smell amazing around here. Let's try it. At this point, the herbal water, the hydrosol, tastes absolutely incredible. Let's hope it carries on tasting like that for a good while before we have to turn the still off. Once you've completed your hydrosol, it's important that you label it clearly. The reason that I'm doing this today is to replace this because it's probably just about at the end of its shelf life now. Store it in dark glass bottles, preferably amber glass bottles, in a cool, dark place to give it the best chance of having a long shelf life.